Bitgert cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in a significant way. We here will explicitly give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Bitgert. The Bitgert in every practical sense has rapidly really acquired truly extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers sort of are interested in looking through the inquiries like truly is Bitgert a wise speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Is Brise exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Which is very critical. What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, or so they explicitly thought. How kind of high could Bitgert at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Bitgert expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to major genuinely past cost outlines. Bitgert genuinely past value examination as per unquestionably the most recent market information. Today the cost of Bitgert explicitly is $0. Brise basically is at present generally positioned number 3025 in the whole crypto market, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The core supply of Brise certainly is zero with a market cap of $0 in genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they thought, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost generally has shown an excellent increment of 12.25% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert truly is as yet confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The Brise fundamentally is down to nearly 8.26% in the absolute most recent 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly beyond couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource and by and large momentary amazingly. Bitgert value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We really anticipate future Brise cost expectation. Bitgert conjectures by applying pretty profound genuinely counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Bitgert amazingly. We do are essentially awesome to for the most part gather pretty greatest verifiable information for the Brise coin which incorporate really numerous variables like certainly past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which in every practical sense is very critical in the event that you are looking to for the most part put resources into digital money market. Truly try to peruse our expectations in a sort of enormous manner in a real sense. Bitgert value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023 the cost of Bitgert is supposed to generally reach at an especially least value level of $0. The Brise cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0, the truly normal exchanging cost of $0, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation for 2024 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Bitgert explicitly is generally anticipated to truly reach at least worth of $0, which is very critical. The Brise cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Bitgert value gauge 2025 to 2026. The cost of Bitgert generally is anticipated to truly reach at a truly least degree of $0 2025. The Bitgert cost can generally arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0, the really normal cost of $0 through 2025 in a significant manner. The cost of Bitgert by and large is truly anticipated to reach at a for the most part least degree of $0 2026. The Bitgert cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the all things considered normal cost of $0 through 2026, which is very huge. Brise value expectation for 2027 Bitgert cost for the most part is estimate to arrive at a practically the least degree of $0 2027, or so they really thought. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $0, the genuinely normal figure cost of $0, which generally is genuinely critical. Brise value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Brise. In 2028 the cost of Bitgert in every practical sense is estimated to generally be at around a base worth of $0, which explicitly is very huge. The Bitgert value worth can sort of arrive at a really limit of $0, the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0 USD, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Bitgert is supposed to especially reach at a genuinely least degree of $0 2029. The Brise cost can in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 0.000000769 with the typical cost of $0 through 2029, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert value expectation. Gauge for 2030 according to the conjecture and essentially profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Bitgert fundamentally is supposed to reach at an exceptionally least value worth of $0. The BRISE cost can arrive at an especially most extreme value worth of $0, the typical worth of $0, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value expectation for 2031. The cost of Bitgert basically is supposed to generally reach at an essentially least worth of $0 2031, which especially is genuinely critical. The Bitgert cost could basically arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the truly normal exchanging cost of $0 through 2031 in a significant manner. Bitgert value expectation for 2032. Bitgert cost basically is figured to explicitly arrive at an especially the most reduced conceivable degree of $0 2032. According to our discoveries, the BRISE cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme conceivable degree of $0, the typical conjecture cost of $0, which truly is genuinely critical. What is the Bitgert cost today, which generally is very huge? Today the cost of Bitgert essentially is 0.0000068 with the market cap of 0.000. What will be the BRISE kind of the greatest in every practical sense? Anticipated cost for 2023. Practically the most elevated estimated cost for BRISE is supposed to arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2023 in a kind of significant manner. What will basically be the Bitgert actually the most noteworthy really anticipated cost for 2024? The most elevated determined cost for BRISE explicitly is supposed to explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2024. How high can Bitgert go? The truly normal cost of BRISE could in a real sense reach to $0 the current year's over, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it explicitly is assessed that the coin will effectively by and large come to the $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. How much will Bitgert for the most part be especially worth in 2030 in a by and large significant manner? As far as cost esteem, BRISE for the most part has an exceptional by and large potential to reach new ATHs basically. It for the most part is determined that Bitgert will increment in esteem, as per pretty numerous specialists and business examiners. BRISE can stir things up around town of the greatest especially conceivable cost of $0 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Bitgert a very wise speculation? The Bitgert esteem by and large is supposed to especially keep on growing, as deficiency will in general especially energize cost rise, which truly is genuinely critical. The drawn-out growth strategies in BRISE in a real sense looks encouraging, which is genuinely critical. As indicated by our estimate, Bitgert will sort of cross the $0 during the fundamentally next 2-3 years, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in every practical sense is somewhat high gamble include to any venture, which by and large is very huge. Simply put resources into what you can achieve